Hello friends, welcome. In today's lecture of standard 10th, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. In previous period, we were studied that what is meant by linear equations, then standard form of linear equations, solutions of linear equation in two variable, that graphical method, substitution method, elimination method. In today's part, that equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable. That means we give the equations and then we have to reduce that equation into a pair of linear equation in two variable and solve using that methods, maybe graphical, substitution or elimination. On that basis, we can solve exercise 3.6. Let me take first examples, that 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. For here, x and y are in denominator. Then we can change into reducible form so that put 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. So that first equation will be changed, that u by 2, because 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v, that v by 3 is equals to 2. We can take simplify that thrice u plus twice v is equals to upon 6 is equals to 2, that thrice u plus twice v is equals to 12. Equation number 1 suppose. Next, for second here, put up that u, so it is what, 1 by 3 x, that u by 3 plus v by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. We will take it at u by 3 plus v by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Again cross multiple, that is twice u plus thrice v upon 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Then twice u plus thrice v, this 6, denominator 6, both have cancelled, is equal to 13. Equation number 2. Now check first and second. This is 3u plus 2v equals to 12. This is 2u plus 3v equals to 13. We can use any one method, that substitution or elimination. We will choose that elimination method, then multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 2, ताकि हमारा v का कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल हो सके. यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, तो इस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 को हम 2 से मल्टीपल करेंगे और इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को 3 से मल्टीपल करेंगे. देन व्हाट हैपन, इक्वेशन 1 into 3, that is 9u plus 6v is equals to 36. 12 3 are 36, and here we can multiply by 2, then 2 2s are 4u, then 3 2s are 6v is equals to 13 2s are 26. Now check, the coefficient of v is 6, coefficient of v is 6, coefficients are equal, also signs are equal. In last period we can check it that if the equations having sign is equal, then we make a subtraction. So subtract that these two equations, then 9u plus 6v minus 4u plus 6v is equal to 36 minus 26. Then 9u plus 6v minus 4u minus 6v is equal to 10. 4 6v plus minus get cancel, 9v minus 9u minus 4u that 5u is equals to 10. Then u is equals to 2. When u equals to 2, put up in equation 1 or 2, then by 1, what is 1? 3u plus 2v is equals to 12. That put u equals to 2, then 3 2s are 6 plus 2v is equals to 12. 6, it will be shifting on that side, then it is subtraction. 2v is equals to 12 minus 6, 2v is equals to 6, v is equals to 3. Now, u equals to 2 and v equals to 3. Then the solutions using that reducible form. But we want to find x and y. So what is u? U. The value of u is what? 1 by x. What is v? 1 by y. Put up here. 1 by x equals to 2 and 1 by y equals to 3. Then it will be changed that x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 3. This is your final answer using reducible form. तो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे वाले इसमें किसे पुटअप करना है, किसे चूज करना है, ये समझ में आना चाहिए. अगर ये समझ में आया तभी आपका आंसर इजीली आ सकता है. ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल नंबर अपन 7 लेंगे. इट इज अगेन वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स यूजिंग दिस मेथड. पर आपको समझ में आए तो that 7 is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equals to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equals to minus 2. अब यहाँ पर भी 1 by x plus y, यहाँ पर भी सेम है. 1 by x minus y यहाँ पर भी सेम है. So put 1 upon x plus y is equals to u and 1 upon x minus y is equals to v. Then examples become 10u plus 2v is equals to 4 and 15u minus 5v is equals to minus 2. Now, this is what 10u plus 2v equals to 4. We can divide each number by 2. Then the answer becomes, it is change divided by 2, so that 5u plus v is equals to 2. As we just divide each number by 2. Then equation 1, equation 2. Use this value, put up here. That substitution method we can use for this example. Then 5u plus v, that shifting of that side, then v is equals to 2 minus 5u. Put in 1. Then 15u minus 5v is equals to minus 2. That equation number 1. Put up v is equals to 2 minus 5u. That 15u minus 5u. 2 minus 5u is equals to minus 2. That 15u minus 10 minus plus 25u is equals to minus 2. 15u plus 25u, that 35u is equals to minus 2 plus 10, that 35u is equals to 8, u is equals to 8 by 35. That 15 plus 25, that is 14u, 40 divided by 8 by 40, that equals to 1 by 5. Then u is equals to 1 by 5. Use this value for v. Then what is v? V is equals to 2 minus 5u. That 2 minus 5 into 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 2 minus 1, that equals to 1. Then v is equals to 1. We get two values, that u is equals to 1 by 5 and v is equals to 1. But what is u and v? U is what? 1 by 1 upon x plus y. What is v? 1 upon x minus y. Then the answer, so 1 by x plus y equals to u, the value of u is 1 by 5 and 1 upon x minus y equals to v, that equals to what? 1. Now solve that x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 1. When we solve this, the value becomes what? X plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to what? Simply 1. Now equation number 3 and 4, suppose coefficient of y 1, coefficient of y minus 1, simply subtract, then 3 minus 4 using 3 minus 4, that x plus y minus, plus simply, because subtract sign is always change, plus x minus y is equals to 5 plus 1. Then y get cancelled, that twice x equals to 6, x is equals to 3. Now put up 3 in equation number 3 or 4. Put 3. Put x equals to 3 in 3. Then x plus y is equals to 5. X value is 3 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5. That y equals to 2. Here the solution is completed. Now check, this is all reducible form. That first we will take out 1 upon x plus y equals to u, 1 upon x minus y equals to v. Then put up the value, simplify this, find out the value of u and v. Then u equals to 1 by 5, v equals to 1. After that, when the reducible form is completed, then put up the value of u, that 1 upon x plus y equals to 1 by 5, and 1 upon x minus y equals to 1 by 1, that 1, and find the value of x and y. It is so simplest form but lengthy, but it is most important for our board point of view. Now on that 3.6, it is an most important examples are there, that speed and time examples. We can take it first. There are 3 examples, but many times in a board example that it will become on that manners, that Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. रितु है जो कि 20 किलोमीटर रो करती है डाउनस्ट्रीम, दैट इज 2 आवर्स में, और अपस्ट्रीम 4 किलोमीटर करती है 2 आवर्स. मतलब अगर वो फ्लो के साथ में जाती है तो 2 घंटे में 20 किलोमीटर जाती है, पर फ्लो को अपोज करते हुए जाती है तो 2 घंटे में सिर्फ 4 किलोमीटर जाती है. तो आपको पूछा गया है कि उसका रोविंग का स्पीड कितना है और करंट जो पानी का फ्लो है उसका क्या स्पीड है, दोनों पूछे गए हैं. इस प्रकार के एग्जांपल्स में आपको 2 निकालने हैं, तो किसी को x और किसी को y पकड़ना है. लेट वी सपोज रेज्यूम दैट रोइंग स्पीड इज x and speed of current is y. Let speed of rowing the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour, and speed of stream, that speed of current, it becomes y kilometer per hour. Then speed upstream, अब अगर अपस्ट्रीम कर रही है तो अपोज कर रही फ्लो को, दैट x माइनस वाई हो रहा है, क्योंकि करंट को अपोज करना पड़ता है. और स्पीड अगर डाउनस्ट्रीम है तो स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम, तो हमारे पास है करंट उसके साथ में फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट इज x प्लस वाई किलोमीटर पर आवर. और टाइम टेकन है, अब कंडीशन है हमारे पास, बाय फर्स्ट कंडीशन दैट रितु कैन रो डाउनस्ट्रीम. रितु कैन रो डाउनस्ट्रीम 20 किलोमीटर इन 2 आवर्स. मतलब 2 घंटे में वो 20 किलोमीटर जा रही है. यहाँ पे ये बात ध्यान देनी है कि डाउनस्ट्रीम है, और एक रिलेशन आपको समझना है, दैट डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड इक्वल्स टू टाइम. तो अब यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस है हमारे पास 20 किलोमीटर, स्पीड है हमारी डाउन स्ट्रीम के लिए x प्लस वाई, और टाइम लग रहा है हमारे पास 2 आवर्स। इक्वेशन नंबर 1। सेम रितु कैन रो अपस्ट्रीम 2 किलोमीटर in 2 hours, 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Then again that distance is 4 kilometer, speed x minus y is equals to 2 hours. Using this we can solve that 20 is equals to 2 in bracket x plus y. That divided by 2, the answer becomes what? X plus y is equals to 10. Equation number 1. Here we can solve that 4 is equals to 2 in bracket x minus y. Divide each term by 2, that x minus y is equals to 2. Equation number 2. Now x plus y equals to 10, x minus y equals to 2. That again coefficients are equal. So add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2, then x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 10 plus 2. Y get cancelled, simply remaining twice x is equals to 12, x is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Same, put up in 1, then by 1, what say that 1? X plus y is equals to 10. Put up the value of x, that's 6. 6 plus y is equals to 10, that y is equals to what? 10 minus 6, y is equals to 4 kilometer per hour. Then what is x? X is an still water, rowing and still water. तो रोइंग स्पीड हमारा था x किलोमीटर पर आवर, हेंस लास्ट में आंसर लिखेंगे हम, हेंस the rowing speed is x kilometer, that is 6 kilometer per hour, and speed of current is 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर। तो ऐसे वाले एग्जांपल्स हमारे बोर्ड के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। ये वाले एग्जांपल्स भी आपको करके देखने हैं, समझने हैं, ताकि आपको इसके पूरे आंसर्स पता हो। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर दिस चैप्टर। यहाँ पे बचे हुए 2-3 एग्जांपल्स आप घर पे भी कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे और बताना चाहूँगा कि एग्जांपल नंबर 19 सेम इसी प्रकार से है। बोर्ड गोज टू 30 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम एंड 44 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम इन 10 आवर्स एंड 13 hours it can go 40 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम 55 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम। तो ऐसे वाला एग्जांपल बहुत बार आ चुके हैं, आपको इस प्रकार के एग्जांपल्स भी करने हैं। आज हमने रिड्यूसिंग फ्रॉम करके लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व किए हैं। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। मेनी टाइम्स इन अ प्रीवियस ईयर it can be asked for 4 marks. Here the paper pattern will be changed, but maybe it will be asked for 5 marks. So keep studying and best of luck for this chapter. Today this chapter is over now. We will meet in the next period, that in the next chapter. Thank you. Goodbye.